Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Design to Future. In this video I'm gonna explain you all the Solidworks tutorial in English language. Yes friends, I have already posted all the Solidworks tutorial in Hindi, but most of our users, most of our subscribers from South India or other countries. So I decided to make another tutorial. All the tutorial will comes in English language. So everything related to SolidWorks commands, SolidWorks tools and SolidWorks everything like SolidWorks part molding, sheet metal, rendering, surface designing, simulation, motion study, all things will explain you in English. So stay tuned with Design to Future, and if you have any question with us, then please let us know and please write down in description below. So without further delay, let's get started our new tutorial of SolidWorks.
So we are now on SolidWorks 2019. You can also install 2020. I'll send the link in the description below. You can easily download from the link and you can install easily. The installation process, how to install, will also send you the link of the video. Then you can see by the tutorial of the installation. So let's get started friends. So if you are if you are a completely beginner, you do not use your SolidWorks much, so this video is only for you. Stay tuned till end and we'll start from the basics. So this is the SolidWorks 2019. So you have to understand some basic things about SolidWorks. What is the SolidWorks? SolidWorks is a 2D and 3D design software which comes in the CAD and CAE categories. CAD means computer aided design and CAE means computer aided engineering software category, which means we can use for 2D and 3D designing, then also will use for the simulation purpose and motion analysis as well. So we also categorize in simulation softwares as well. You will also further get the knowledge of simulation, how it will work. So that will be last and end of the topic of this tutorials. So let's continue. SolidWorks is manufactured by Dassault System, yes friends, which is also delivered the CATIA software. And SolidWorks initially released in 1995. So let's start how the graphic user interface it works. So you can see the very initial page of SolidWorks after the installation. You can see a blank space is here, which is text written the SolidWorks in bold, and you can see some of the options like file, view, tools, help, and some of the other options is here, and other search command is here, and some of the task menu bar is here. So how can we start? So you have to click on this blank space button. This is called new template option. Just click here and you can see such kind of template. There is a three kind of template are also available, like part, then assembly, then drawing. In part we will learn solid modeling, which is called feature. Another one is surface designing, then sheet metal, then weldment, then render. Then we'll goes to assembly template. We can learn about how to assemble solid body or surface body or sheet metal body or either weldment body. And further at the end of the course we will learn about drawing. It means how we can represent our drawing in standard drawing sheet like A4 sheet, A3 sheet, and how the views are represented with the standard dimensions we'll learn. So we'll start from the part template. Another option is also there, is called advanced. Advanced means for those who already have a knowledge of a part assembly drawing and they also want to develop their own template, like standard template for their own industry. Like if you are working for a company who has a own drawing standard, so you can also set your drawing standard in advanced option. Just click on advanced option. You can see all three options is also be there, part, assembly and drawing. And if you have also set your own standard, then the other standards is also present here, like your XYZ company name, and multiple type of template is also present here. We'll look at that how it will work in upcoming tutorials. So let's come to the novice option and just click on part and click on OK. So sometimes it shows the notification if you want to open a blank template like that. So it depends on your computer processor. which kind of processor in your computer. If you have a very good processor and very good graphic card, then SolidWorks will run smoothly. Otherwise it will take some time for loading all the templates. So here we are, and the complete graphic user interface of first time user is here. So you can see, or you can also draw such kind of template in your copy, and you can just like a mention, you can also mention such kind of column and rows here. Just make a row here, like which is written here, file, tool, file, edit, view. These options are called tool options. These options are also included in tool options. Another one is called ribbon. This is called, the area are called ribbon. And at the top of this graphic user interface, this area is called menu bar. And the below this menu bar you can see like options, extrude, revolve. This area is called ribbon. And below the ribbon you can see the other option is feature, sketch, surface. This area is called a toolbar. And bottom of the toolbar you can see a vertical column is here. This is called feature manager design tree. So here we can arrange the views, front view, top view and side view. And other than views, we can it can also record which kind of tools we have been used in previous time. It will also be recorded here at the bottom from the right plane. So at the bottom of this of the graphic user interface, you can also see such kind of options are also, commands are also there. This is called status bar. We can check the plane of body, we can check the axis edges of the body, we can check the vertices of the body, and other options is also be there. And bottom right corner you can see the unit system. You can change the unit system is here. Just click on the unit system. You can change your current drawing unit system like MKS, CGS, MMGS, IPS according to yours. Or you can also edit other document units. At the right side of the bar you can see this is called taskbar. We can read about taskbar, what is the work of taskbars at later on. So, and the upper right corner you can see the search command. If you forget or if you are not able to find any command, just write down the name of command and click on the search button. You can find that command. And this is called, front screen is called drawing sheet. Here you can see 3 axis is also there. This is called trimetric. X, Y, Z is also be there here. So let's get start how the drawing is work and how we can draw on the so how the drawing will start on the drawing sheet. So first of all you have to click on any of the plane is here, like front plane, top plane or right plane. Just click on the front plane and you can see multiple options is also present here. So you have to click on the last option is called normal. It means you can be able to draw any sketch after become the normal of front plane. Just click on the normal option and go into the sketch options. So first of all our first topic is sketch tools. We will able to read about the basic of the sketches. It means only we are able to learn in this sketch option is 2D sketches like line, circle, polygon, and how to modify these 2D sketches as well, like move, rotate, pattern and everything. So start from the line. So what you have to do after clicking on front plane, just go on the normal option, then click on the sketch option. Sketch means you have to draw a sketch, then click on the sketch option. Then you are able to draw any line or circle or anything else. So in this tutorial we learn about the graphic user interface and basic things of SolidWorks and how we can able to start SolidWorks software. In next tutorial I'll teach you how to start sketching tools and how to draw a 2D drawing in drawing sheet and how all the commands will work step by step. So stay tuned with us and we'll back to you soon in next video. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned, stay blessed, and stay inspired.